Stay star viewers, welcome. Today here we are with a new concept, like based on the request of BED students, we are also into this platform. From today we are also going to discuss about different concepts and also related to engagements of BED. Like I am related to social science and English. So I make the videos regarding to social and English and the syllabus of this first semester of BED. What is BED? Bachelor of Education. And as I belong to social and English background in this BED, so I am going to deal with these subjects, and you can watch. Any doubts you can also ask me. Okay, before going into the topic, I want to say you is that kindly like, share and subscribe my channel before going into this video. Okay, then why late? Let's start. So in BED, apart from the main methods, we have 3 subjects and 2 methods. Like I am from social background, so I have my main method called social and method 2 is English. Okay, method 1 and method 2. Apart from that, I have 3 other subjects, that is called philosophical perspectives of education, psychology of childhood and adolescence, social science has my method 1, English as my method 2, and assessment for learning is the another subject. These are the 3 subjects. Philosophical perspectives of education helps us in understanding what should be the best qualities of teacher and how she has to tackle the situations in the class, what are the inspirational models that we have to take when we are entering into this field. We have many concepts which we have to deal, like we have to meet different teachers, we have to know there are many teachers, we are taking examples, there are many kinds of characteristics that a teacher has to follow. Everything will be included in this thing. And other one is psychology of childhood and adolescence. Here we are going to understand mainly the students' behavior, like how do they behave in different age groups and in different manners. Like we are going to study a chart of students right from the starting of the schooling and to 10th class, because it relates to school, and we are going to study of all kinds of age groups and their mentalities. I am not going into deep, but just giving you the basic idea of all these subjects. Okay, so here we deal with the idea of teachers, and here we are going to deal with the age group and mentalities of students. How do they behave, how do they act, how do they learn, and what are the steps we should take in order to make them learn, and not only learn, to make them a good student in the class. And then social science, this is our third or subject, but that is a main methodology, that is method 1. I am not giving it as an order, but we have according to orders, according to papers, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. I didn't follow that order now, but I am just saying randomly. This is my method 1, that is social science. Maybe you will be thinking, what is social science? Again we have to study the same maps, graphs, etc. Yes, but here, yes, we have some concepts we have to study, but the main thing which is taught here is not about the same social studies you have learnt there, but in order that we will learn how to teach those subjects here. You have gained the knowledge about a person called Amartya Sen in your inter or in your 10th. Now you have studied already about that person, and you have enough knowledge that he is an economist, he did these many things, he had won a Nobel Prize and etc. But here in this B.Ed, you are going to learn that concept how to teach to your students, like who is Amartya Sen, what did he do. In this way you are going to learn how to teach your students. That is a methodology we are applying here. We are learning how to teach the social science. And then English is also in the same way. We are going to learn how to teach and how to develop the vocabulary, that is LSRWG. Okay, L is listening, S is what? LSRWG. V and G, or G and V. What is that? Listening, speaking, reading, writing, grammar and vocabulary. These are the 6 points and very important whenever you are learning a new language. Okay, that is, here it is English. So L, S, R, W, G, V. What is that? Listening, speaking, reading, writing, grammar and vocabulary. When all these 6 points are perfect, then it means that you know that language very perfect. And then assessment for learning. Now whatever you have learned, how to assess it, how to know, how to evaluate, how to assess a child, how to evaluate his performance, how to know, etc. will be covered in this subject. Now I'm not going to, don't think that I'm going to teach all these things in detail now. I'm just giving you an idea about all these things in a small outline. Okay, and apart from that, for each semester basis we have project. So that is like, for this semester we have self-development, communicative English and yoga. Okay, self-development, communicative English and yoga. This all comes under life skills. Okay, and then life skills is one topic in which you have self-development, etc. And then self-awareness, self-development, everything comes under life skills. And communicative English, where you have to build a great level of communication skills and also good English. And yoga is for your physical and mental development. And because as a teacher you have to tackle many issues for which your mind, presence of mind and the calmness should be maintained. That is very important, and that is possible by yoga. So these are the 3 concepts which are covering in the project, and these are all the other subjects. Now what is this? And we also have engagements per each subject. Yes or no? 30 marks are included for internals and 70 marks are for external exams. Yes or no? So what is that 30 marks internals and what do we cover in that will come under the next video. Till then, stay tuned to Straystar. If you are connected to my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.